Hi friends, welcome to the S3 CloudHub channel. In this video we will see, what is regression testing, and when do we do? And how do we do regression testing? Without any further ado, let's start the session. Regression testing is one type of software testing. Let's see what regression testing is. Retesting an already tested program after modification to detect any defects introduced or revealed as a result of changes in the software under test or in other related or unrelated software components. Simply put, we perform regression testing by rerunning tests against a modified application to evaluate whether the modified code breaks something that worked before. Whenever we modify an application, we should do regression testing. Regression testing gives developers confidence that there is no malfunction after modifying production code. It ensures that there are no unexpected side effects. I hope you understand what regression testing is. Now we can see when we will do the regression testing. When do we perform regression testing? We regress every time the production code changes. We usually perform regression tests in the following cases. Let's look at each in detail with an example. Case 1. When new features are added to an application. For example, a website has a login feature that allows users to log in using email only. Now the new features look like, providing a new feature to sign in with Facebook. Case 2. When there is a change request. For example, remember password should be removed from the login page that is available earlier. Case 3. When the defect is repaired. For example, imagine that the login button on the login page is not working and the tester reports an error that the login button is broken. Once developers fix the bug, testers test it to make sure the login button works as expected. At the same time, the testers are testing other functionalities related to the login button. Case 4. When a performance issue is fixed. For example, the home page takes 5 seconds to load. Reduced STM time to 2 seconds. Case 5. When the environment changes. For example, updating a database from MySQL to Oracle. Let's see how we do regression testing. Manually or by automation. Regression tests are generally extremely tedious and time-consuming. We do regression testing after every deployment, so it would make it easier for us to automate the test cases instead of running them manually every time. If we have thousands of test cases, it's better to create automation test scripts for the test cases we run on every build. So, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I will see you in the next lecture. If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.